Alright guys, this is how to fix the error code 8001008, 38, and I went on YouTube today and I found out no one knows how to do it, so I'm going to do it for y'all. First, you hold your hand right here, and you keep holding the power button until you hear 3 beeps. That was 1, that's 2. And what this does is puts us into safe mode. That's 3. Let go. It should turn off. Okay, then press it again. And at the end, you'll hear a double beep. Let go. My controller. Alright, wait. And then you need to connect your cable. Alright, and then what you do is you go to number 3. Restore system files. It says repairing. Or preparing. And it, does this or whatever. Let's see, the file of the system storage is corrupted and will be restored. Click it. Click OK. And it takes out your storage. Now, if it keeps on, you see how it says, after this version has been completed, the system will restart. If it keeps on doing this, like when you restart it, keeps on doing this, then that means that you did something really wrong with your PS3 system, and that thing where I put number 3, you'd go down and you'd put number 5. So, alright. And I do this almost every month because I don't want my PS3 system to be corrupted. Alright guys? Alright, that's it.